Hey, my name is Dylan with Repair Spots, and today I'm going to be going over the priorities page real quick with you guys. So, in order to get to the priorities page, we'll just go to the quick actions menu on the right hand side here, and we'll go to priorities. Here we can see our pending repairs, our upcoming appointments, and our orders in progress. Now these are all repairs, appointments, and orders that have not been closed yet. So closed repairs, appointments, and orders will not be shown on this list. This is only repairs, appointments, and orders that are either unfinished or just have not yet been closed yet in the system. It will tell you the amount of each of these processes and which order or appointment or repair it is that is still in progress. So we can go directly to the repair in progress that is there. We can go to the appointment in progress, or we can go to the order that is in progress, all from this screen. We can also, of course, go to them, and if we see an order that has already been finished or a repair that's already been finished, we can go close repair, continue, dismiss, and then going back, this will no longer be here once this updates.